Hey, thanks for checking in with the Parker team here at Nova Home Loans. My name's Ryan Parker. I'm the team leader. Wanted to chat with you real quick about condos and townhomes. Condos can be very, very difficult to finance. Even though you find a condo that you just absolutely love, there's a lot of things we need to check out with a condo. The biggest questionable items with a condo are going to be investor concentration, required general liability policies need to meet certain limits. The condo HOA budget needs to be in a positive stance, profitable stance, so they're not behind on their bills. Um, Termites can be an issue in some cases. Um, they can't have empty or green pools. There's a lot of things that go on with a condo. Now, if you're an FHA or a VA home buyer, the condominium complex needs to be approved by FHA or VA. And there are lists online with VA's website and, of course, FHA's website that can allow you access to see if your condo of choice is approved with their lists. Now, just because it says approved, make sure their approval isn't expired. It can say expired on it as well. Um, so again, if you're obtaining an FHA loan or a VA loan, it's got to be on the approved lists for you to acquire that property with that type of financing. Now, with conventional financing, if you're putting as little as 5% down, 15% down, or even obviously 10% down, you're going to need something called a condo questionnaire filled out by the HOA of the condominium complex. So really important to understand that you cannot proceed in this transaction without ensuring that you have a condo questionnaire filled out that meets all those investor concentration requirements, budget requirements, limited liability policy requirements. There's literally about 40 questions on this form that have to be addressed before you can be assured that this condominium complex is approved for conventional financing. Now, if you have 20% down, a really high credit score, and some strong assets in the bank, there's a good chance that the automated system would approve your loan for something called a limited review. Now, this is a shorter form for a condo questionnaire, and it's important that you know that not all the same answer or all the same questions are going to be required on the limited review form. So the stronger the borrowers, the easier it is to get through some of these condo projects. So keep that in mind when you're shopping for a condo or a condo comes up on your home search and it becomes a desirable property that you'd like to look at. So the difference between a townhome and a condo, this is really important. Number one, the legal description on the county records will typically indicate property is in a condominium subdivision. So if it reads condominium in the legal description, you know you've got a condo on your hands. Always check the tax records. Now, a townhome, you actually own the land, the dirt that that townhome sits on. Typically has a little backyard sometimes, not always, but you also own the exterior walls, the roof, and all the aspects of the actual property itself. Whereas a condo, you truly only own the paint on the interior part of the walls, the flooring, and you do not own any of the exterior physical characteristics of a condominium complex, and those are all managed by the condominium complex with high HOA dues. So townhomes can have those HOA dues as well. They're typically not as significant amounts. But again, a townhome, you own all aspects of the townhome, including the lot. Condo, you do not own the dirt under the unit itself. And again, you only own the interior aspects of a condominium. Hope that enlightens you a little bit. If you have any additional questions about condos or townhomes, feel free to reach out to the Parker team. You can call me personally directly at 623-340-0344. Thank you much and hope this was informative. Thanks.